talk about?
I don't know.
Man. Yep, so this is me and Adriana's first mukbang. Is that how you say it?
I don't know. Like a mukbang, mukbang.
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 That means for a beautiful, mind-boggling, mouth-watering, split second, your cup is the freshest on earth. Every cup ground fresh.
And we are eating
At Circle K.
Chick-Fil-A,
Only at participating locations.
our favorite.
The roaring 20s again. Hey, Scott Elder here from Elder Mitsubishi, and it's time to stop flapping around in a car you hate and start the decade with a roaring deal on a nicer, newer car. Think you owe thousands more than your old trade is worth? Payments too high? Don't have enough for a down payment? Don't be a dewdropper and get down to Elder Mitsubishi, because right now you can get a
What did it say?
deal on a car you love.
It was starting out the Wi-Fi.
Easy to the banks and lenders who want to approve you today. If you bring home $400 a week, you can get approved for up to $25,000 in credit.
We just wasting time in the car.
No matter what's holding you back, it's time to get jacked
Till it's time to go back to school and to work. Because we're just coming back from taking her to the doctor, and they said that she's doing good, checking herself and stuff like that. So good job, Mamita. So, whose idea was it to get Chick-Fil-A?
Mine.
Voila.
Because I love chicken.
She does. Man. We were just saying that I got, well, how much did I say I got? I got 1,600. I got 1,600. No, I got 18, almost 1,900 points, redeemable points on my Chick-fil-A app right now. That's a lot of points.
Yeah.
I could get like 2 or 3 free meals with that. Right. I mean, I haven't started eating my burger yet. Why am I not eating my burger yet? I don't want these pickles. I don't know why they put 2 little lonely pickles up in here.
Me neither.
Okay. It's a waste of pickles. We just need to tell them to keep the pickles. Hold the pickles. Hold them pickles. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. So good. Is yours good? Look, I'm chewing. What's her name? What's her name? The chick with the long
B
nails.
Loves Life.
Who?
B Loves Life.
B Loves Life. I'm gonna eat like B Loves Life. This is how she chew for real. She be like that. I don't know. That's how she be eating like that, and then she be talking like that. She be picking her teeth with them long nails.
That's what she really be chewing.
She don't be wiping her mouth. She be talking with her mouth wide open. You can see all her food. She chews just like that. Don't you?
Yep. Y'all see this? Gotta dig in.
Yeah, that's a big old piece of chicken, girl.
I was like thinking, like, what if one of my friends just like pull up and just like do the mukbang? They'll be like,
you will have some explaining to do over there, and not me. It ain't my friend. I wouldn't care.
well, I mean, you should. Cause if one of my friends see me doing this, I won't get anybody at my birthday party next week. Cause they all think I'm weird.
Man, they'll all think that you're cool. And they'll all come to your birthday party this weekend because they'll be like, man, if Ariana can do a mukbang, we can do a mukbang. Don't you think that's
I
what
don't know
they'll
about
say?
that.
You don't think so? Because not everybody does mukbangs. Like, what's the purpose of doing mukbangs either?
I honestly don't know.
I mean, like, what's the purpose in that? Just somebody watching you eat? Like, what the
Yeah,
hell?
that's basically what it is.
Why would I want to have anybody watch me sit somewhere and eat my food? And have like the whole world just sitting there watching me eat my food. Like, that makes no sense.
There's a lot of people that like doing that.
That's crazy.
This Arnold Palmer, y'all should get it.
It's lemonade. It's the best.
The Arnold Palmer's better though.
Don't listen to her. It's good, but it's not better than straight up lemonade. Chick-fil-A's lemonade is the bomb. Chisel Squad.
It's okay. It's good. But like, I rather have the Arnold Palmer.
Suit yourself. Just to suit yourself, baby girl. I'm sticking with my lemonade.
Stick with your lemonade then.
I will. I think I just will. So this little one here, it's supposed to turn 13 next weekend.
Yes, sir.
And I don't know what she thinks. She must think she grown. She ain't grown.
I am.
I don't know why she thinks she grown.
With your bobblehead self.
Cause age ain't nothing but a number, baby.
You about to be 50.
That's right, but I'm still young. Still young at heart, baby. Age ain't nothing but a number.
So AJ number, why y'all always telling everybody y'all 26?
Not me. That's the I not be doing that. I tell people I'm 4,800. I ain't no shame in my game.
Okay.
Ain't no shame in my game. I say straight up 48. When I turn 50, I'm tell them straight up, I'm 50. Man, I had this student come in my office the other day. He was like, how old are you? Like, you look so young. Because he was looking at my pictures of my kids. And he was like, Miss Knight, those are your kids? And I was like, yep. And he was like, those are your kids? I said, yep. He talking about, damn, Miss Knight, how old are you? Because you look young. I said, honey, I'm 48 years old. He talking about, for real, Miss Knight, you look like you like 32 years old. I said, well, thank you, honey. Thank you.
I remember one time, it was Mr. Chico's birthday, like a month ago. And I was like, Mr. Chico? I was like, he said he was like in his 40s. I was like, you look 40. And then he was like, yeah, so does your grade.
not tell him that no more. What he trying to tell you, girl? He gonna give you a 40. Oh my God, that's too funny.
Everyone was dying.
You told him that? Oh my God. When was it? Last 6 weeks? That's why you got a 40 on that grade on there. I'm just
The
kidding.
Mr. Chicken, he's like one of my favorite teachers. Like, but he knows that I joke around and stuff.
So now I know if I see a 40 in social studies, I know why. Right? Wait, Tico is social studies, right? What is Tico?
Texas history.
Well, same thing. Texas history, social studies, tomato. It's history. It's not some type of history. Okay.
Your head is built like history.
You know what? Your head, your forehead is so long, it looked like the Panama Puente de las Americas bridge.
No, you're so extra. Like,
Well,
you're extra.
why am I extra?
You said your head is so long. You look like the Panama.
Puente de las Americas bridge. That's a long bridge. Let me tell you, that's a long ass bridge.
Your head look like the Eiffel Tower. So does your neck.
It ain't
They
as
both
long.
built on the same concrete.
You don't want me to start riding.
Girl.
Boy.
Alright. She thinks she can roast.
I can roast. That's why your head turned into looking like Chick-Fil-A right now.
Look. My head don't even look like that.
Yeah, look at it. You can't see it. I can see it. Ooh, just the same.
Your neck looks like that.
It's looking just like it.
Your legs look like that.
I know I got some chicken leg. You ain't gotta be riding my chicken leg. Leave the chicken leg out. Leave it out.
Well,
Leave it on there, please.
since you want to roast me, I'm gonna roast you. It's 12:43.
Is it? Oh, we got to get going, girl. We done sat here in the car and ate and did a dang mukbang. Can y'all believe this, people? We done sat here in the car for how long? Almost 14 minutes doing a dang mukbang. What the hell is a mukbang? What the hell is a mukbang?
It was her idea.
It was her idea first.
It was-
I just agreed.
I said, we're doing a mukbang, Mom. And then she was like, I was just playing. And she's like, yeah, we should start recording.
That's what I'm saying. It was her idea, but I agreed. So, I got my phone out and started recording. And now, guess what? We're doing a mukbang. Whatever it's called, mukbang, mukbang. Whatever the heck it's called.
Mukbang, 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 mukbang.
A mukbang. I bet you it's probably like some Chinese that came up with that. That sounds Chinese. Mukbang. Right.
I think it is.
For real?
Mm-hmm.
I was right. Some Asian folk came up with that mess. Because that's exactly what it sounds like. Chinese.
Mm-hmm. I should probably put this on before I forget it.
You don't really need it, Monica. You're going to mess up your hair now. You don't need it. It's staying flat down.
No, it's just like, it's gonna go up. Like, goodness. It's gonna go up. Oh, I really do not feel like taking that test in 5th period.
Well, it don't look like you're going to. It's about to be over.
No, because that class ends at
1:20 something.
in this
How much one?
12:45. So we are in 5th period right now, I think.
All right, guys. So, are you done eating? Are you gonna try to put your contacts back in? Someone giving up on putting their contacts, and I'm not finna be going order none. I'm not finna be wasting my money. And somebody over here don't even want to be trying to put their contacts in because it takes a little longer for her to put it in. Then she gives up.
But sometimes, you know, it just gets a little hard. So
that's why you keep trying. What's the motto? What's the motto? What they say?
What motto?
Keep trying and what?
Don't give up.
And you'll succeed. Right? And that's what they always say, right? So why is you giving up, Adriana? Why is you giving up?
I didn't. I just got bored.
Yeah, okay. Dad, she gave up. She tried for like 5 minutes.
I didn't give up.
She tried for like 5 minutes. And then she was like, man, I give up. I'll just practice over the weekend.
I mean, I have more time on the weekend.
But you need to practice whenever you can. Not
You
just
want this
on the
on it?
weekend. No, man, I'm full. Man, you better eat that little piece of corner. That's
tired.
a corner. Well, I'm just gonna throw it out there. Man, you ain't gonna want it. That thing.
Why would I save that for later?
It's like a little piece, exactly, because this is just a little piece of little corner. You couldn't even give that to a bird. Just a little corner, and she wanted to be saving it. Child, if you ain't a mess.
Chick-Fil-A.
If you ain't a big mess, child. Take it to the house. Take it to the house. Okay. All right, so I think that's it for our mukbang. Mukbang. Okay, guys, we had fun.
Yes. And we're probably gonna make another one, but probably not.
Probably not. See you guys later.
Bye.
Adios.